Oh, so I'm trying to make a video, and this time I think I did it all right, except I don't like the lighting at all. This is the first time I've done a video in, I don't know, a year, 2 years, whatever. Anyway, um, the reason why I'm making the video is because guess what? Today is the day after Christmas, and we are now getting a large snowstorm since New York City pretty much has not had any snow for at least 3 years. I haven't had to wear my snow boots at least for 3 years, maybe four. But anyway, so we're supposed to get between 5 and 8 inches, which would be nice because I don't have to go anywhere. So hopefully I can just enjoy the silence. For some reason, when it snows, it seems like the world just gets more quiet, and maybe because that means less people are out and less cars are on the road, but it just seems like it's more peaceful while it's snowing. But anyway, so we'll give this video a try. I'll try and upload it to YouTube and we'll see what happens. But let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Now you can tell how much Irene should not be singing. It is horrendous. But anyway, let's give it a try. Bye.